Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a charming home located in the well sought after neighborhood of Hermitage Dam in Stony Hill, a neighborhood known as the Jacksil of Stony Hill, historically being home to many popular, well known high net worth individuals. The potential views, cooler climate, and privacy being among the many things that attract people to Stony Hill. And this home offers no exceptions, consisting of 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, spanning approximately 4,250 square feet, split between two floors. The first floor consists of 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, kitchen, living room, dining room, and a covered patio with views of the city. To the rear of the property is a separate building which holds the laundry room and the staff accommodation with a full ensuite bathroom. The ground floor consists of two flats with ensuite bathrooms and are able to be used as self-contained flats, perfect as a granny flat, rental income, teenager, etc. Flat 1 consists of a living room, kitchen, bedroom, and ensuite bathroom. Flat 2 consists of a studio unit with ensuite bathroom, small kitchenette, and access to a private outdoor patio. Both flats can be accessed by the exterior or through the main house. The land size is under half acre and is well fruited with the best pears. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 87.5 million or US $555.2 thousand dollars. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.